We have identified in the manifesto that focus on taking our country forward. But President, today was excellent job of this entire collective. Let me not forget especially to thank our comrades here in KwaZulu-Natal, Comrade Duma, siyabonga, the collective yakho yonke, nisebenzile maqabani, i-revolution idefendwa kanje by reconnecting it with the masses. The revolution is not just in the boardrooms. This is evidence of a living African National Congress and its allies in transformation of our society. I also want to thank Comrade Dan Hatu, who coordinator of weSACP Liberation War Veterans, who's also here with us. Siwabonile amadoda angempela womkhonto wesizwe aparade la namhlanje. Awahambanga amadoda womkhonto wesizwe asathe khona ekhaya under the leadership of umkhonto wesizwe Liberation War Veterans, under the direct leadership of the African National Congress. There's no MK without the African National Congress and the South African Communist Party and COSATU. Siyabonga Comrade Dan for mobilizing your forces to come and defend this revolution. This revolution will be defended in every street, in every corner, all the parts of our country until we certify it by victory on the 29th of May. Thank you very much, Comrade President. Thank you very much, Comrade Mbaki.